But I do want to point out that there is a tool in Sentry called Discover that can kind of help you start to explore maybe historic data to think more about those thresholds. So within the particular project that we're trying to establish this baseline in, we can kind of check out some historic data and get a sense. And I'm going through these quicker now, but we're going to be going through Discover later when we zoom out to the larger scope in which our alerts trigger to try to understand our data better. But for now, you can use issues that we were just looking at before, and you can look at the counts yourself of unique users impacted by them, and just generally the events comprising the issue, and apply this over time. And you can even show both of these within the visualization. So if we were to sort these based on our maybe highest volume issues or most critical, we can start to maybe profile a couple of our top issues and get a sense for what this looked like or what these characteristics looked like when the issues first surfaced, if that data is available. So we could look into one of these and perhaps zoom our time frame out and then get a sense as to what the count was, at near the start of this issue and how many unique users it impacted and perhaps continue to impact over a particular time frame. So just wanted to highlight that quickly as one available option within a product where you can learn from your historic data when you're thinking and reevaluating alerting strategies, particularly when your data starts to change over time as well.